Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Krystal Wallet. To delete your Krystal Wallet, you'll typically need to follow specific steps. So, here is how you can easily do it. First of all, open your Krystal application and sign into your account. Once you are logged into your wallet, go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. From the settings interface, tap on Manage Wallets. Select your wallet you would like to get rid of and tap on it. In the options displayed at the bottom of the screen, you can tap on Edit, and before deleting your wallet, make sure you back up your phrases. Tap on Show Backup Phrase and copy down your backup phrases in a piece of paper. Once you've backed up your phrases, tap on Delete Wallet and tap on OK in the pop-up. Verify your access by typing down the 6-digit passcode for your wallet. And then you will be able to delete your wallet for Krystal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your wallet has been successfully deleted. As long as you have your recovery phrases, you can get back to your wallet whenever you want. So that is how you can easily delete your Krystal wallet within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.